Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. Seizures can be distressing for the first aider and the patient. In this film, we asked a paramedic for their thoughts on treating a patient who's having a seizure.
One of the medical events that can be quite distressing to witness is if people are having a fit or a seizure. This could be somebody that is known to be epileptic, or it could be happening to somebody for the first time and there's an unknown cause. If you come across somebody that is having a seizure, it's really important that you have them in a safe place. We want you to protect their head, make sure they're not going to fall off of a sofa or a bed, and they're not going to hurt themselves, and call for help. The other thing to do is to time how long that seizure is lasting. So it's really important. Any seizure that goes on for more than 5 minutes, you definitely do need an ambulance to come. And if it's the first time you've ever witnessed this event or that this person has had a seizure, again, you should call 999 and get some medical help. Children typically will have something called a febrile convulsion. This is when the body is potentially fighting an infection and gets too hot, and it burns off this heat by having a fit-like activity, and it's very distressing for anybody to see a child going through something like this. In this event, we do encourage you to strip off the child and remove any clothing that's keeping them hot, and just feel them and make sure if they do feel hot to touch that you're keeping them cool by removing clothing and again keeping them safe, that they can't hurt themselves, and timing how long this shaking is lasting for and what the nature of it is. Are their eyes rolling? Are they shaking all 4 limbs? Anything like that. Just have a good account of what's happened and call for help. We'll be more than happy to come.